The OOD Golden House is one of the most exclusive tiny homes in the world. Its exterior is covered with special golden glass, making it stand out everywhere it goes. Only 79 of these homes exist, a clever nod to gold's atomic number. Even though it's small, just 26 square meters, people are eager to stay here. In fact, renting one costs 50% more than a night in a five-star hotel. And that's before considering the exciting journey to reach it. These homes aren't placed randomly. They are set in some of the world's most beautiful and scenic locations. You could find one on the sunny beaches of Ghana or surrounded by the breathtaking landscapes of Norway's Lofoten Islands. Staying in an OOD Golden House means experiencing pure luxury combined with stunning nature. It's perfect for those who want to explore unique places but still enjoy comfort and style. Imagine waking up every morning in a cozy, golden home with views that take your breath away. Opus OP15, your off-grid home on wheels. The Opus OP15 is a clever off-grid caravan designed for people who want to enjoy camping without giving up comfort. It's spacious enough for up to 4 people, so you and your friends or family can relax and enjoy your trip together. What makes this caravan stand out is its powerful solar system and efficient battery, which let you stay away from power hookups for longer, giving you true freedom to explore nature. Inside, there's a fully equipped kitchen where you can cook your favorite meals, a cozy sleeping area for a good night's rest, and a roomy living space to hang out and unwind. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or just looking for a peaceful getaway, the Opus OP15 makes every trip comfortable and easy. It's built to help you enjoy nature without missing the comforts of home. This caravan is perfect for adventurers who want to go off the beaten path, but still have all the essentials nearby. Peterbilt 579 Sleeper. The Peterbilt 579 Sleeper is a powerful and stylish truck built for drivers who spend their lives on the road. Its sleek, aerodynamic design and bold front grille make it stand out wherever it goes. But the real magic happens inside. Step into the roomy sleeper cabin, and you'll feel like you're in a mini hotel on wheels. There's a full-size bed, soft lighting, premium materials, smart storage spaces, and even a small workspace. Everything designed to keep you comfortable during long trips. Every detail is built with the driver in mind, from quiet insulation to easy-to-use controls that reduce fatigue. On the road, it runs smoothly and efficiently thanks to the fuel-saving PACCAR engine. Safety features like lane-keeping support and collision alerts give you extra confidence while driving. Ross cabins are special mobile hotel rooms spread all over Germany, designed for people who want to enjoy nature without traveling far. These cabins make it easy to have a peaceful getaway close to home. Each cabin is small, but packed with everything you need for a comfortable stay. Big skylights above the bed and bathroom bring in lots of natural sunlight, while the windows are perfectly placed so you can enjoy amazing views of the outdoors. Inside, a cozy wood-burning stove keeps the cabin warm, making it a great spot even on cold days. The kitchen is small but fully functional, with a sink and a 2-burner stove, so you can cook simple meals easily. One of the best parts is the little porch outside, perfect for sitting back and watching beautiful sunrises and sunsets. Retreat ERV Hyper, the future of luxurious and eco-friendly travel. The Retreat ERV Hyper is a high-end electric RV made for people who want to travel in style while caring for the environment. This amazing vehicle uses the latest electric power technology to give you a quiet, smooth ride without harming nature. Inside, it's packed with modern comforts like smart home controls, a full kitchen, and a cozy living space that make every trip feel just like home. Whether you're relaxing or cooking, everything is designed for your comfort and convenience. The powerful battery lets you drive long distances, so you can explore faraway places without worrying about running out of power. This makes it great for long road trips or adventures off the beaten path. The Retreat ERV Hyper is perfect for anyone who loves the outdoors but doesn't want to give up luxury or eco-friendliness. Romotau Prototype. The Romotau Prototype is a cool, futuristic vehicle designed to change how we travel every day. It combines sleek, modern style with the latest technology to create a smart, efficient, and eco-friendly ride. Powered by electricity, this vehicle is quiet and clean, making it perfect for city travel without harming the environment. What makes the Romotau special is its focus on comfort and convenience. It has a roomy interior designed to fit the needs of today's busy lifestyles. With its eye-catching design, it looks like something straight out of the future, but it's built for real-life use, whether for quick trips around town or your daily commute. The Romotau prototype shows us a glimpse of the future where cars aren't just machines, but smart, green, and easy to use. It's perfect for anyone excited about new technology and sustainable travel. This prototype promises a smoother, simpler, and more enjoyable ride that blends style with smart features to help make your journey better. The SLRV Iveco Eurocargo is a tough and stylish 4x4 expedition vehicle built on the trusted Iveco Eurocargo truck. It's perfect for off-road adventures and long trips, designed to help you explore even the most remote places with ease. Inside, you'll find plenty of space and all the comforts needed for living on the road, making extended journeys enjoyable and cozy. Powered by a strong diesel engine, this vehicle delivers great power and can tow heavy loads, so you can bring all your gear along without hassle. Its advanced four-wheel drive system and high ground clearance allow it to tackle rough trails, rocky paths, and tough terrain confidently. Whether you're heading out on a cross-country road trip or a weekend getaway, the SLRV Iveco Eurocargo offers both power and comfort. It's built to handle any challenge while keeping you safe and comfortable. STX Horsebox Volvo, a luxury ride for horses and riders. Experience the perfect mix of style, comfort, and function with the STX Horsebox, built on a strong Volvo FH chassis. Designed by Stifex, this luxury vehicle isn't just for people. It's made to transport up to 7 horses in total comfort and safety. With features like a side ramp, pop-out walls, and a push-up roof, loading and moving horses becomes super easy. Inside the horse area, there's rubber flooring, skylights, fans, cameras, and adjustable partitions to make sure the horses stay calm and comfortable during travel. But this horsebox also takes care of the riders. The living space feels more like a luxury motorhome, packed with everything you need on the road: leather seats, a flat-screen TV, satellite, a top-notch sound system, and even heating and air conditioning. The kitchen has a microwave, ceramic cooktop and fridge. Willy Transparent LCD Bus. The Willy Transparent LCD Bus is a super cool and futuristic idea that changes how we travel on buses. Instead of regular windows, it has special see-through LCD screens built into them. These screens can show important information like bus stops, ads, or even stunning nature scenes, all while you can still see clearly outside. So you don't miss the view, but your ride becomes more fun and interesting. This bus isn't just about getting from point A to B anymore. It turns into a moving entertainment and information hub. Imagine watching helpful updates or cool visuals right on the windows as you travel through the city. This smart technology mixes usefulness with creativity, making every bus trip more exciting and engaging for passengers. It could completely change public transportation by making rides more enjoyable and interactive without blocking your view. XG Plus 530 car. The DAF XG Plus 530 is a powerful and luxurious truck made for drivers who spend long hours on the road and want both comfort and performance. Its smooth, aerodynamic shape helps reduce wind resistance, which means better fuel efficiency and a quieter drive. Under the hood, it has a strong 530 horsepower engine that handles long hauls with ease, while the smart suspension system keeps the ride smooth no matter the distance. Inside, the cabin is all about comfort and style. It features a spacious full-size sleeper, soft leather seats, quality materials, and smart design touches that make life on the road more relaxing. The wide dashboard comes with modern digital displays and easy-to-use controls, and soft ambient lighting adds a cozy vibe to the interior. Safety is also a big focus, with advanced systems like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, helping you stay safe and confident behind the wheel.